He's very involved, like, actively with them. They both play sports, so he's very, very much involved with them.
So they're very close. Have you ever seen him discipline them in a way that made you uncomfortable?
No.
Have you ever seen him lose his temper with them?
No.
Have you ever been worried about leaving them in his care?
No.
That's what it is.
Just a couple questions. Ms. Dixon, do your kids reside with you
Yes.
full time?
Yes.
Okay. And does Zachary live with you full time?
Yes.
Okay. So he's around these kids pretty often?
Correct.
Are you aware of the allegations in this case?
I am now.
Okay. Does that give you any concern for having your kids around him?
No. I mean, from my personal experience with him and the way that my children care for him and how he's been a very good role model for them and been there for them, I don't question him around my kids.
And just to be specific, I'm asking about knowing the allegations in this case. You don't have any issue with your children being around Zachary?
I do not.
That's what it is.
That's fine.
How old are your children?
10 and 8.
All right, thank you. Thank you for coming in. Defense, call your next witness.
No other witnesses.
Just wanted to let the court know that I have like the utmost remorse about what happened. I mean, at the end of the day, I take full responsibility because I should have been an unselfish adult about it and been watching Kate the whole time. And I understand the allegations against me, and whatever the court decides, I'm 100% with it. But I mean, if the probation is on the table, which I heard it's slim, but if it is on the table, there won't be any problems out of me. And I think that'll be the best option for me, my children and my family. Because I'm like a real staple and pillar within my family.
Because it doesn't seem to be consistent with the photos and the information that the court has reviewed. And I will tell you, even though Judge Angelini is the judge that took this plea, I read over all of the PSR reports and I reread all the stipulations. Yes?
That they took that off at the hospital. They took more than they were supposed to.
What, more of his skin off?
Yes, ma'am. When me and his mother went to the hospital, they told us, okay, this is only what we're taking off. And then they chose to take more of his skin off. I don't know why. When we got to the hospital, we both broke down about this whole situation. And seeing him cast up like we did, we didn't know what was going on. We thought it wasn't as severe as it was, but it was.
Well, explain to the court why you didn't call.
And that's why when his mother came, I said, let's go to the hospital right now. And I just, at that time, if I could go back and change it, I would call EMS first.